Well, it's a very energetic telecom operator. They're quite big. It's about the 7th largest mobile operator in the world. They're operating in Russia, in Italy, operating in Ukraine, operating in totally 13 countries with 220 million mobile subscriptions. So that's a lot of users. Well, it's actually quite simple. Interconnect is that if I call from Telefonica in Spain to T-Mobile in Germany, that two subscribers can talk to each other. That's interconnect.
So interconnection is about wholesale, so business-to-business contracts between VimpelCom operations and operations in other countries in order to allow our customers to make calls in between operations. What is bypass? Bypass is that other operators try to find other ways in terminating the call to your network. They don't want to make this price of 1 cent. They don't want to pay the price of 10 cents. And what they try to find is bypass routes, not to pay those prices and to terminate the traffic for free on the network.
So basically what you want is, if you have traffic from Telefonica to VimpelCom, you don't want to have a man in the middle. You want to have a direct link, direct interconnect between those parties, because then you don't lose any margin between those two companies.
First of all, we have to bring traffic from our customers who make calls to other networks. We have to pay the other networks for terminating on their networks. That's a cost element that we have. And if we have bigger volumes, then we are able to get reductions in the price. Same way, if you talk to about the traffic that is coming from other networks to you, we have to make sure that we get the best rates for that we organize ourselves, that we close our doors for the bypass we were just talking about, and make sure that we also get the best revenues on that. Okay, OTT, over the top. What it means is that in principle for your call, the internet is being used. So that means that in order to get a call from A to B, from the caller to the receiver, you use the internet, and you have to do with the quality of the internet and also the limitations of quality of the internet.
And what is important for telecom operators nowadays with over-the-top carriers like Skype, for example, is if you want to distinguish yourself in a market, you need to distinguish yourself by quality.
So what we did, we performed a feasibility study during the summer, and by September we were able to present a good case to our board about centralization of interconnection. We prepared on all levels, so we prepared on the technology side, we prepared on the commercial side, we prepared on the financial side, the legal side, and so on and so on. And we made sure that on all levels we were prepared for this centralization. Next to that, we have spent a lot of time together with our local operations to also prepare on their side. And the preparation was to be prepared process-wise, but also first of all to explain the what and the whys about this centralization.
So we glued basically all of the information together, and finally the result is that we have a starting organization right now.